How to brief a design agency for a stadium digital experience. Most stadium digital experience briefs fail for the same reason startup briefs fail. They describe a feature list instead of the actual problem. If you're the person responsible for matchday digital at a club, here's how to brief this properly so the first weeks actually move. Start with the specific moment you're designing for, not the stadium experience as one broad thing. A fan finding their seat, a fan ordering food without leaving their seat, a fan checking replays during a break. These are different design problems with different constraints. A brief that just says, digital match day experience design for football stadiums, gives an agency nothing to actually design against. Name the specific moment and the friction inside it, and the whole project gets sharper immediately. Second, be explicit about network conditions, because this changes everything downstream. Stadium Wi-Fi under 60,000 phones is nothing like an office network, and UX design for stadium matchday digital experience has to assume slow, unreliable connectivity as the default, not the edge case. If your brief doesn't mention this constraint upfront, you'll get designs that look great in a demo and fail the moment real fans are in their seats. Third, bring your existing systems into the brief, not just your ambitions. A lot of stadium digital projects fail because they're scoped as if they're starting from a blank slate, when really the job is unifying a matchday app, a club website, and a CRM that were never built to talk to each other. If your organization needs an agency to unify matchday app, website, and CRM design, say that explicitly. That's a fundamentally different, harder brief than design us a stadium app. Fourth, separate general fan experience from hospitality and VIP needs early. These are genuinely different audiences with different expectations. A season ticket holder scanning in through a turnstile has nothing in common with a hospitality guest expecting a seamless, high-touch digital concierge experience. Hospitality and VIP digital experience design for football clubs deserves its own line in the brief, not an afterthought bolted onto the general fan flow. Fifth, decide upfront whether this is a single event build or an ongoing platform. A one-off digital experience for a stadium renovation opening is a different commitment than an evolving in-stadium fan experience app that needs iteration after every match day based on real usage data. Being clear about which one you're actually asking for changes, both the proposal you'll get back and the team and agency assigns to it. Sixth, name your actual decision maker before the brief goes out. Stadium digital projects often sit across digital, marketing, operations, and sometimes ownership. And if nobody's agreed who signs off, that disagreement will surface mid-project instead of before it starts, costing weeks either way. Humbleteam has run exactly this kind of brief process with top European football clubs, a Tier 1 Spanish football club, Premier League organizations, and motorsport teams, which is why the first questions we ask are almost always about the specific moment, the network reality, and the systems already in place, not the wish list of features. If you're preparing to brief a design agency for a stadium digital experience, Humbleteam is happy to walk through what should actually be in that brief before you send it out,